Is it audible? This is Ramakrishna. So today we can talk about the day one, the below topics like what is software and what is testing, what is software testing and what is quality, and differences in between error, defect, failure, and the project and product, and the ways of testing. So totally for the basic concepts of testing today. Before start our topics, so one by one guys, first give your introduction. In our class, Anusha, Jashwan, Madhulila and Naveen. So first start from Anusha. Anusha, can you hear me now? Anusha, can you hear me now?
Yes, I can hear you.
Yeah, just give your introduction, Anusha, means whatever your past experience and why you want to move to IT industry testing. Just give your introduction.
My interest from college days onwards, I want to go to IT profession. So I don't know why like that. So I just want to go to IT profession, and my education is bachelor's in computers and master's in mathematics.
Okay.
So, that's it.
Okay, good. Fine. Thank you. And Jeshram, what about you? And Anusha, keep in mute. Thank you. Yeah, Jeshram, you can continue. Jeshram, can you hear me now? Right. I think some mic issue from Jeshram. Okay, Madhulila, I can continue, Madhulila. Madhulila, can you hear me now?
Hello.
Yeah, Madhulila.
Hello, sir. Hello, sir.
Yeah.
This is Charan Reddy.
Charan Reddy, okay.
Charan Reddy. I have completed my BTech in ECE.
Okay.
Hello.
Yeah, continue. You can continue.
I completed my BTech special in ECE. I want to learn the software. I am interested to learn.
Okay, fine. Thank you. Keep in mute. And Naveen, Aditya, what about you?
Yes, sir. Actually, I was already in software industry for nearly 8 to 9 years. Then I took a break. Like I was into Java technology. I worked on maintenance and support kind of work. So I took a break after my delivery. So it's nearly 3-4 years. I want to go back to IT. So I want to try my hands on testing because like I want to be like I don't want to take a hectic job. So I believe that testing is a little easier compared to the development activities. So I want to try my hands on testing, and mainly I want to concentrate on Selenium automation because I have a Java background. So that is the reason why I joined this course.
Okay, good. Thank you. And Vikas, the last one. Vikas, what about you? Vikas, is it audible? I think some mic issues from the Vikas side. Okay. No problem, guys. Thank you for giving the introduction, everyone. So today, just we can discuss about this below basic topics. Just today, try to understand what is testing, what is software testing, how many ways of testings are there, as a tester, why we should learn testing, why we should perform testing in the real time. See guys, the first, what is software? Guys, just one by one, I'll explain. If you know, if you don't know anything, just concentrate, guys. See, the first, what is software testing? See guys, software testing. Before learn this one, before discuss about software testing, first you should understand what is software. What is software? Software means a set of executable programs or a collection of programs in a computer called software. Once again, software means a set of executable programs. Executable programs are collection of programs in a computer, which is called software. Nowadays, software is very, very important. Without software, there is no any business, there is no any process, there is no any job. Everything depending on only on software. Once again, software means a set of executable programs in a computer, which is called software. And now let us know what is testing. And anyone are able to give the answer for what is testing? Guys, I am not asking about software testing, just I am asking for testing. Anusha, are you able to give answer for testing? Anusha, my question is, what is testing? Okay. Joshua, what is testing? No answer.
Checking if something is working properly.
Okay, checking something is working properly or not. Good. See guys, simple as you. Testing means the comparison between expected value and actual value. Once again, so testing means it is a comparison between expected values and actual value. So what is expected value? What is actual value? Before develop the application, before get the product, as a customer, as a client, the client requirement is called expected value. Based on requirement, the developer application is called actual value. Once again, the client requirement is called expected value. Based on the requirement, the developer one is called actual value. So testing means comparison between expected values and actual values. Okay, once again, what is software? It's a set of executable programs in a computer. Testing means comparison between expected value and actual value. So before develop the application, the client requirement is called expected value. Based on the requirement, the developer application is called actual value. So guys, now I hope you understand what is software, what is testing. Now the question is, what is software testing? Just first I'll show a small diagram, guys, just try to understand. What is software testing? Just I'll show a small diagram, just try to understand. Here I'm opening the Paint application. In this application, first one person. The person I'm calling as a client, and also called as customer. First, client will provide some requirement to developers. Then developer, we are also called as programmers. Programmer will develop the application based on client requirement. Understand, guys? So any IT company, the same procedure. Client will provide some requirement to developer. Developer will develop the application based on the client requirement. After completion of development, the developed application before sent back to the same client. After completion of development, before delivered to the same client, as a tester, we have to involve. And what is our job? Before develop the application, the client requirement we need to collect as a expected value. Based on requirement, the developed application take as a actual value. Now we should compare both expected value and actual value or not. Once again, first client will provide some requirement to developer. Developer will develop the application based on client requirement. After completion of development, the developed application before giving to client. As a testing engineer, we have to involve, and the customer requirement we need to take as a expected value. Based on requirement, the developed application take as a actual value. And we need to compare whether the expected value equal to actual value or not. Guys, I hope you understand this diagram. Now, by following this diagram, easily you can understand what is definition of software testing. See guys, in this diagram, first customer providing some requirement to programmer is developer. Developer developing the application based on client requirement. After completion of development, application before delivered to the client, testing engineer job will be start. Means as a testing engineer, our job will be start after completion of development before giving to client. After completion of development before giving to customer, our job will be start. What is our job? Compare expected and actual. The client requirement take as expected value. Based on requirement, the developer application take as a actual value. See guys, it is a process, right? This process starts from client to developer, and again developer to tester, and again testing engineer to client. See guys, it is a process. The process starts from client to developer, developer to tester, tester to client. See guys, it is a process of executing an application with an intention of finding defects. What is defect? Whenever expected value not equal to with actual value, which is called defect. Whenever expected value not equal to with actual value called defect. For example, just imagination, my client requirement, first page should be home page, small application, first page should be home page, next page should be login page. First part, my client requirement, understand? My client expecting first page should be home page, second page should be login page. Then my developer without home page directly develop a login page. Understand guys? My client requirement, first page should be home, second page should be login. But developer directly login. At the moment, compare guys, expected and actual. Modulila, compare both. At the moment, expected and actual, compare both are equal, not equal. Modulila, Yashron, Anusha, I hope you can hear me guys.
It's not equal.
Yes. Expected value not equal to actual value. This is called defect. What is defect? If expected value not equal to with actual value. Now guys, once again, software testing definition I'm explaining, try to understand. It is a process of executing an application with an intention of finding defects. Once again, it is a process of executing an application with an intention of finding defects. Am I writing? It's a process of executing an application with an intention of finding defects. This is definition of software testing. Once again, definition of software testing, it's a process of executing an application with an intention of finding defects. Anusha, explain Anusha, what is definition of software testing?
It's a process of executing an application in an intention of finding the defects or errors.
Yes, finally what is our goal?
Finding defects.
Very good, very good. Guys, I hope you are clear. What is software, what is testing, and what is software testing? Once again, a set of executable programs or collection of programs called software. And comparison between expected value and actual value is called testing. Now, software testing means it is a process of executing an application with an intention of finding defects. Okay. Now, first let us know one small history of software testing. Guys, history of software testing, just try to understand. Madhulila, please keep in mute. Thank you. Fine. History of software testing. See guys, before 2001, in IT company, there is no testing engineer jobs. Testing engineer job starts after 2001. Before 2001, development process and the testing process both done by only one person. Who is the person? Programmer. There is no testing engineer job. Guys, this is not now. Just a flashback. Before 2001 scenario. Before 2001 at the time, development process, testing process both done by only one person. Who is the person? Programmer. Then before 2001, every yearly, out of the 100% of the projects, 70% of the projects failure. Understand guys? 70% of the projects failure. Once again, every yearly, out of the 100% of the projects, 70% of the projects failure. Then, to know the reasons for 70% of the projects failure, IT companies approach with SCI. SCI stands for Software Engineering Institute. Once again, before 2001, there is no testing engineer, job, but testing process is there, done by same person, programmer. At the moment, every yearly, out of the 100% of the projects, 70% of the projects are failure. To know the reasons for failure, IT companies approach with SCI. SCI stands for Software Engineering Institute. It was established to know the reasons for failure. So SCI analyze the failures, and finally it's given guidelines as a after completion of development to perform testing, separate person required. The person tester and also called as QA. See guys? So SCI guidelines after completion of development before delivered to the customer, the application should be tested by separate person called QA, quality analyst. So after 2001 onwards, IT companies maintain testing engineer jobs. Before 2001, there is no testing engineer jobs. Understood, guys? Only after 2001, testing engineer jobs are started. But before 2001, why 70% of softwares are failure? Even programmers also the conducted testing. Also, why 70% of softwares failures? Because of reason programmer they're conducting only positive testing. But as a testing engineer, we have to perform both positive testing and negative testing also. What is positive? What is negative? Application check with the valid inputs are called positive testing, and application check with invalid inputs are called negative testing. Once again, application check with the valid inputs are called positive testing, and application check with invalid inputs are called negative testing. Before 2001, there is no testing engineer jobs. Testing engineer jobs start from after 2001 based on SAI guidelines. Are you clear, guys? Okay. Now comes to the subject. First, let us know what is differences in between error, defect, and failure. See, guys. First, you should know what is the difference in between error, defect, and failure. Simple thing. First, programmer. Programmer, while writing the while developing the application, they will write some code by using Java, .NET, PHP, C#, Oracle, something. So while writing the code, if programmer find out any mistake from coding part, which is called error. Once again, error. Programmer, while writing the code, if programmer find out any mistake from the coding part, which is called error. Next, defect. While conducting testing, if any expected value not equal to the actual value, which is called defect. Once again, testing engineer, while performing testing, if any expected value not equal to the actual value, which is called defect and also called as bug. Once again, error. Programmer, while writing the coding, if programmer find out any mistake from the coding part, which is called error. Defect. While conducting testing, if any expected value not equal to the actual value, which is called defect and also called as bug. Next, failure. Finally, after delivered to the customer, during utilization, if customer facing any problem from the application, once again, after completion of development and testing, after delivered to the customer, if customer facing any problem from the application, which is called failure. Madhulina, understand this concept? The difference in between error, defect, and failure. Yeah, explain about the difference between the three. What is error, what is defect, and what is failure?
Programmer, if any error occurs, it is called error. And
Okay.
while the testing is testing the developing the code, if a actual value not equal to exact value, then it is called defect.
Okay.
After delivering the project to the customer, if it gets any problems, then the project is failure. It is called failure.
Okay. Okay. Fine. See, guys, once again, programmer while develop the application, if programmer find out any mistake from the coding part, which is called error. Tester, while conducting testing, if tester find out any mistake, means if any expected value not equal to the actual value, which is called defect. Finally, after delivered to the customer, if customer facing any problem from the application, is called failure. Realize. Okay. Now, let us know the differences in between project and product. What is project and what is product? Anyone are able to give the answer for this one? What is project and what is product? Guys, anyone? Krishnan? Krishnan, can you hear me now? Anusha? Guys, if you're able to hear, just give the answer. Either right or wrong, no problem.
I don't know anything, sir.
Okay, good, good, Anusha. Krishnan, you? Okay. And Modrera, you?
So product means it's invention, sir.
Okay. Nice, I'll explain.
Okay, fine. Okay, fine, sir.
See guys, try to understand. Simple thing. If any software developed for specific client requirement, which is called project. If any software developed for multiple client requirements, which is called product. Once again, if any software developed for specific client requirement, which is called project. If any application developed for multiple client requirements, which is called product. For example, if you are working in TCS, just imagination, if I am working in TCS, then I have one mail ID, how like ramakrishna@tcs.com. So TCS company, they're maintaining some one mail ID only for TCS employees, right? Means this mail ID developer for specific client requirement. Gmail, Yahoo Mail, Outlook, anyone we can create account we can use. So this mail ID is developer for entire market requirement product. Once again, which is developer for specific client requirement is called project, and which is developer for entire market requirement is called product. For example, one small example, bigclassesstudents.com, one small website, google.com, one website. Once again, bigclassesstudents.com and Google. Navitam, tell me which one is the project, which one is the product here? Bigclassesstudents.com, one website, Google, one website. Which one is project, which one is product?
Big Classes is project and Google is product.
Exactly, exactly. Big Class is only for big class students, so it's a project. And Google, it's a product. Why? Because anyone we can start using the Google application. So
Yes.
once again, which is, thank you, which is developer for specific client requirement called project, which is developer for entire market requirements are called product. Anusha, tell me Anusha, what is project and what is product?
An application developed for specific requirement is called project. An application developed for like multiple requirements, it's called product.
Very good. Anusha, one more question. AK-47, is it project or product?
AK-47. It's project.
Sure.
Let me think.
Jishwan, what about you? AK-47, is it project or product?
I think it's product.
Yashwant, have you, who is this answer? Is it answer from Anusha?
Yeah.
Anusha, have you permission to use AK-47?
No.
Then how we can call product, Anusha? We don't have permission, right? It's actually
Yeah.
manufactured for only army people. But nowadays become a product, but don't call product, only project. We don't have permission, okay?
Okay, yeah, got it.
Yeah, so simple one thing, guys. Which is developer for specific client requirement is called project. Which is developer for entire market requirements are called product. And simple example, guys. In India, some villages people for some small something village people are something for specific managers. They will prepare some sweet. The sweet is called project. For some festivals also they will prepare specific sweets called project. Tirupati Laddu called product. But what is product means don't call Tirupati Laddu. Just like give an example, okay? Okay, fine. So once again, which is developer for specific client requirement is called project. Which is developer for entire market requirements are called product. Now our software testing two ways. Our software testing two ways. One is manual testing. Second one is automation testing. Once again, software testing two ways, either project or product. Two ways. One is manual. Second one is automation. So what is manual and what is automation? I'll explain. Simple thing. First, what is the meaning of manual? What is the meaning of automation? Manual means today I want to go to temple by walk. Without any help, only by walk I am going to temple, which is called manual. By the help of vehicles, by the help of bus, by the help of bike I am going to temple, which is called automation. Once again, here one is manual, second one is automation. One is manual, second one is automation. What is manual? What is automation? See, without any help, only by the human interactions, which is called manual. So in between tester and application, by the help of tools and software, which is called automation. Once again, testing engineer without any help, only by the human interactions, conducting testing is called manual testing. Same testing engineer with the help of tools and software, conducting testing on application is called automation testing. Once again, testing engineer to conduct testing on application without any help, only by the human interactions are called manual testing. With the help of tools and softwares, conducting testing is called automation testing. So once again, it's a process to conduct testing on application by the human interactions are called manual testing. So with the help of tools and softwares are called automation testing. Then at what time we need to go for manual, at what time we need to go for automation? Simple thing. Today I want to go to temple. From my home to temple, just 1 kilometer, 2 kilometers. Then by walk I can go. But from my home to temple, 20 kilometers, 30 kilometers. Then by walk is it possible? No. We need any one of the vehicle. Same like that. Whenever small size project, then we can choose manual testing. Whenever big size project and limitations required, then we can go for automation testing. Once again, software testing two ways. One is manual testing, second one is automation testing. by the human interactions are called manual. By the help of tools and softwares are called automation testing. Once again, by the human interactions are called manual, and by the help of tools and softwares are called automation testing. But nowadays, guys, 90% of the projects are only in the automation projects. But if it is an automation project also, it should be starts with manual. Without manual, directly if you go to automation, it's look like a Malayalam movie. You're not able to understand. So first, we should go with manual, then we can go for automation. Automation means, for example, to go to temple, we can use number of vehicles based on requirement. Bus, bike, car, something. Same like that, in market, number of tools are there. Selenium, Udemy, but 80% of automation industry they're using only one and only Selenium, guys. Understand? So guys, in our class, first I should start with the manual, then we can go for automation. See, in our class, the first I'll start with manual. Manual testing I'll explain along with the live project. And in the manual testing, I'll explain quality center, means ELM, like test management tools I'll explain. In the real time, which are the maintaining test management tools, along with the management tools, manual testing live project we can discuss. Whenever the manual testing live project completed, then we can start automation testing with Selenium. And Selenium along with the live project. But guys, to learn manual testing and automation testing, no need any coding skills. To learn automation Selenium, little bit basic core Java required. That too I'll explain. If you know Java, very good. If you don't know, very good. Because guys, I'll explain in the classroom. So what are the basic core Java topics required to learn the Selenium? I'll explain that. I'll teach that basic core Java topics. Then we can go to Selenium. Understand? So in our class, we can discuss both manual testing and automation, but it should be starts with manual guys to get the perfection. Okay. But after completion of like classes every week I'll conduct the mock interviews to check their knowledge. And as well as every day while explaining the classes, you don't need to note anything, guys. After the class every day I will forward the soft copies. Okay, and every weekly mock interviews will be there, and the soft copies I will provide, as well as like how to prepare the resumes and what type of answers we have to give in the interview. So everything I will use the soft copies, guys. Means interview time question and answers, and FAQs and sample resumes, everything I will forward you. Understand, guys? But after completion of course, minimum we can keep the experience 5 years to up to 10 years of experience on manual and automation Selenium testing. Okay, don't expect the basic knowledge, guys. Don't expect the basic knowledge. So 100% you can keep minimum 5 to maximum 7+ experience on our entire automation. Understand? So instead of Selenium, if you want to learn, means after Selenium, if you want to learn Qtp, you can continue Qtp classes. Means Qtp means nothing but one more automation tool. But if you learn both, well and good. Even using one tool also, market is good to get the job. How do you get? So every day 1 hour class will be there. So along with the live project, to complete the manual testing and automation testing, it will take normal classes if you attend, then it will take 40-45 days. Are you clear, guys? So anyone, any questions and any doubts? Anusha, Jeshron, Madhulila, Navitam, Sandeep.
No, sir. Good.
No doubts.
Okay. Okay. Thank you, guys. Thank you. And tomorrow same time we can continue. We can start manual testing. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
Thank you, guys. Thank you for getting the class. Thank you. Bye bye. Have a nice day to all. Bye bye. See you tomorrow. Bye.